Alright, pag-usapan naman natin ang Meralco Bolts. Ito, makakalaban nila ngayon ng Ginebra Meralco Bolts po. They're warming up right now. Hognatan. They're currently at 1-1, 1 win, 1 lost. And may hinahanap tayong tao na player pero wala pa po siya sa uniforme niya. And hindi po maglalaro si Raymond Almasa. Maglalaro pa siya sa laban niya sa rain or shine. And they're gonna get a big plus when he plays. But right now, Karam, of course, si Hammer, ito, si Hamito, and Jackson and Espinas po. Yun. Dunk show again. Ubusina the dunk. Alright. Yun. Boom.
Upgrade yourself.
Jackson. Wala natin kung sino dito ang maraming masishoot. Ito, feeling ko ito sinyo sabi. And of course, Nawal.
That's a game changer. The all-new click. Game changer naman.
Alright, guys. Sabihin nyo nga sa akin kung meron kayong like, gusto nyo kuhanan ko off court of the game like or kausapin. Powcast Sports is doing behind the scenes like this one para makita naman ng mga tao kung ano yung nangyayari behind the scene dito sa PBA. Yung mga player makikilala natin lalo with Hodge. Alright, that's it.